Hey traders, let's take a quick look at XTZ today. XTZ is up 5% in the last 24 hours, now at 35 cents, with strong trading volume supporting the move. So, is this the start of bullish momentum or just a trap? Price rising with volume is a good sign. Buyers are active, but quick spikes can reverse fast, so stay cautious. If momentum holds, more upside could follow. Trade smart and watch closely. Also, quick update on, we've just released our latest XTZ price prediction update. Support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for XTZ. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime. Happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.